As the popular 876 Roommates heads for its season finale, one of the biggest breakout stars of the new reality TV series is the man who spells his name S-W-I-I-S-S, Lee.
Yeah, what's ya? And you want this people gonna check it out right now.
Who is right now, right here, on our stage. Swiss Lee. Blessed love, sir. Welcome.
Welcome. It's an honor to be here.
Reggie, congratulations. Is that the popular sentiments out there around the show now, that you're the man, the breakout man?
Yeah.
Or just one-off?
Yeah, one-off.
Only one-off?
Yeah, one-off, no for me.
So you're not the top man, you're not the top man billing?
No, you see, we have brought the bread, you see me, and share it.
Share it?
Yeah.
Okay, so what's the backstory around your getting into the series, all this fame and fortune?
They reach out to me and say, do a skit.
Yeah.
It's a competition, so we have to do a skit.
So they reached out to you?
Yeah, and say, do a skit. So me say, which skit me gonna do now? Because a whole heap of big comedian there, you know, you see, we not judge nobody what we don't know. I say, him not have no followers, because they me creep up like rum, you see me? So me say, all right, me put in work and work. So me say, what kind of video? So me just do one skit about the ghetto.
Yeah.
You see me? It's like, one youth like my son, and me are the mother. So you don't know, so them video they always sell. Anything you do about the ghetto, always sell.
See?
You see me? So them say, all right, Swiss. You dip on the 876, so me I say, Mommy, don't worry, me I go for the $1 million. You see me?
You tell your mom that?
Yeah, don't worry, because me I go for it. Yeah, because I still get to living, you see me?
See?
You see me? Yeah, my mother.
So you're the one who actually crept up like rum?
Creep up and run, yeah, creep up like rum, because me I say, right. Me say,
So nobody expected you to be?
No, nobody not gonna say, all right, Swiss, I go there. Because whole heap, you know, everybody have them, who them rate on the show, you see me?
See?
Who they there, you see me? What them
So the man never rate you when you step in?
Yeah, my fans, them, my fans.
Your fans, them there, but
yeah.
the man never in the show, and those who didn't know you, no?
No, it's all right. Even if Swiss will come, you see me? Some just creep up like rum.
Okay.
You see me? Yeah.
So how did you get to be Dog's protege?
All right. It's a real dog. I'm a father, you see me?
See?
Yeah, I respect him because he show me a lot, you see me? I grew up without a father, you see me? So him,
really?
you see me? Him show me whole heap of way like him, I'm a father. So I say, you know what? I'm a father, I look up to him, you see me?
Mm-hmm.
Him not hide nothing from me, you see me? Nothing at all. He make a meal, him say my son, and son will make it. You see me? Yeah.
How much credit do you give him for your success?
Whole heap of credit me give him, and I can't be ungrateful.
Yes.
Can't be ungrateful in my life, you see me?
So the fight between him and
King Tavi.
King Tavi, how did you take that? How did that impact you?
You know, say, all right, the fight. Me even know it's a fight. You see me? Because we're like going a film face, and the two of them, they talk. If me I go fight Winford, I'm not coming in your face, come talk.
Yes.
You see me for about 5 minutes. So everybody up on the bus, I say, a jam, till me say, Tavi, push him about 3 times, then I say the dog thump him. Mm-hmm. You see me? Then the fight, people them start broke the fight. But I must say, me set it on.
Yeah, they blamed you?
Yeah, so me set it on, because I stand up, but as I say, me and you now go fight, and we in your face attack for about 50 seconds.
See.
So me I say, you're a joke, so they must say, oh, no, stand up and make them a fight. And it squashed them, you see me? Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And you support the peace that they made subsequently?
Yeah, because me not like, I get where I come from, you see me? I love everybody.
See.
You see me? But I stay in my shell, you see me? Mm-hmm. Because you know who for trust nowadays. You see me? So I like, so when everybody can say, all right, come here do a video, Cuz make me do a video, Val make me do a video. One youth when I have the name, come here do a video. You see me? I like see the love. It's like how rapper live, I saw Jamaican comedian and artist live. You see me? When I hear a birthday, I can say fly down to their birthday and buy your car. Mm-hmm. You see me? And show love. You see me? Yeah.
All right, so tell us about your particular strain, your brand of comedy, your genre.
All right, my brand of comedy, as I said already, about the people in the ghetto them can relate to.
Yes.
They come like Javin, him sing about what in the ghetto. Mm-hmm. You see me? So like, yeah. So I just the ghetto, everything about the ghetto. Sometimes I mix it still. Yeah. I'm going at the 90s, put on some big clothes, I'm going at the 90s so people can relate. My style of comedy, if people can relate to it.
Yes.
Yeah.
So it's raw and it's real.
Yeah, real.
It's relatable to people, especially in the inner city.
Yeah.
Yes, I.
Yeah.
All right, let's take a little mashup of some of your work right now.
All right.
Here we go.
one spliff a day, keep the evil away.
Oh man, can just the clothes them come? Sure. As man like, ever with my brother, man, say son hot man, sure. Bring the clothes them come, you don't know the rain a come back.
Pick up playing up Scotch, section light, come up upstart, diamonds, cash off for.
Hey, stop playing them because they play some gospel. When the angel them come through the house, you know, son hot. Play some gospel. I want to hear them Sunday. Get Jesus fill the house. Say a time till you make me hear, no. I'm in a ramp with you. And if you don't say it, I'm going to put you out of the house. 2, 1, 2, 2 is 4, 2, 3, 6, 2, 4 is 8, 2, 5, 10. 2, 6 is 12.
Think you're a big man, you know?
2, 10, 20. 2, 11, 20.
Give me this.
2, 12, 20.
A beer J and Jeremy. Say it 2 times now, let me hear you.
2, 1, 2, 2, 2 is 100. 2, 3, 65 and 2, 10.
I stop saying you go to school. Because you waste my money. Say it 2 times, let me hear.
2, 1, 2, 2, 10, 60. 2, 11, 55 and 2, 12, 104.
Are your teacher must have a one time with you? All right, so that's him. That's him. Swiss Lee for you. Okay, so you're poised now for what? Where do you go from here?
When I go from here, I just want to travel.
Yes.
My mother happy. You see, make my daughter happy too, you see me? Yeah.
You want to travel for work or for play?
Work, man.
Okay.
Work. If we not going to make no money. I have to travel and go find and wear the latest thing that man broke. And I have money for feed.
So you're aiming high.
Yeah.
So to tell us about what are some of what you're eyeing or wanting to achieve.
I want to big game them. I don't want to do comedy with me at 30.
Yes.
You see me, I want business. You see me, can say mommy. All right, a Swiss Lee own the car company there. You see me, my daughter own that. My brother own that. So I don't want to look at you. I say, Swiss Lee, do one promotion for me. I'm a big 30 a day old. Still run up and down for you look at young artists. No, I don't want to do them thing there.
You kind of retire from comedy at 30.
Say, all right,
30 is still pretty young, you know.
Yeah, but you know, as a big 30 a day, I look at you now in for my car and say, do one promotion for me.
Yeah.
As a 30 a day old, for you look at you to a 18, run up and down. Can't them
No, but it's not just promotion. Your comedy is entertainment.
Yeah, that's true.
It's art.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So you can move it to another level. I mean, there are great men in comedy who are older than even me.
I'm there for travel.
Yeah?
I'm there for travel.
But you want to travel. You want to be global.
Yeah, because in Jamaica, I see like them gay comedian, like how them cherish the artists them.
Yes.
You see me? Because if people can reach out to me in a Winford and say, yo, boy, Swiss Lee, I go through a bad day.
But
you make me happy.
Yes. But you shouldn't lose sight. Look, you should not be, do not feel that the time won't come when the comedians are going to be as big as the artists or even bigger.
Yeah.
You should never think that won't happen.
True.
But the music has paved the way.
Yeah.
For the
comedian.
The material you use, the culture, the Jamaican culture that you draw from for jokes or for your comedic material can cross over just the same way that as dancehall find favor with people around the world, Reggie. So do not give up on your art.
Yeah.
I would say perfect it, lift it. You're young, man. Just take it wherever you want to take it. You can take it to that other level.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So don't give up on it. But business is fine, you know. I wouldn't discourage that. Investment and thing, you can do both.
Yeah.
Invest in
I try to get one teacher to teach me stand-up comedy because if you realize the whole of the youth them on Instagram like me, them just do Instagram, none of them can do a stand-up comedy.
See
me? So me want like, if me go start, me go still do comedy. Do a stand-up comedy.
Yes.
You see me? Yeah, learn the craft there.
All right, talk about your community a little more. Tell us more about your community and your parents and family.
I am community now, living in Marvel, Kingston, 20 years old. Nice community, but I never body show me love in there. You see me? So I have to know what me I do, I have to move skeptic. You see me? Whole heap of people tell me in Marvel, they say, yo, I'm not going to say whole heap, but I know whole heap of women tell me, say, yo, I'm not live for say 15, you see me?
Oh,
yeah.
Wow.
I keep back to school treat and see the whole of them come. You see me? I just laugh and say, your father got a hit, man. My time now, you see me? Them can't stop it.
Yes.
You see me? My mother, I'm tell you, I'm grow without a father, so she's my mother and my father, you see me? So, I try to make sure happy everywhere. Everywhere I can get $1,000, $5,000, $10,000 anytime she call me and say my son. And she didn't even really pay me. She not ask me for money. You see me? Because she a hustler. You see me? She a eagle. You see me? She have her own store down a town. So she don't dig and ask me for no money like that.
Yes.
Yeah. But I love my ghetto, man. I not sell out the ghetto, man. Every video I do relate to ghetto. Relate to a single parent. Relate to how a gunman deal with the people. And relate to how a gunman like a girl. You see me? Yeah. Everything I do, I relate to the
So
ghetto.
what would you want to change in there? You're only 20 now, so I mean,
Yeah.
you're pretty young. And from where you sit now, from where you are now, what would you want to change if you had the power to
In the ghetto?
make a difference? Yeah.
I just want the violence school, you know? The people them can come out, the ghetto youth them go school, get an education, keep more back to school cheat. You see me, everybody come to one. Make the community nice. Somebody if you say Jesus Christ, me can't come out with even buy pound and rice because shot a fire.
Yes.
You see me, I just want the place nice. Everybody just respect them each other. Remember we have elder people in our community too. You see me, see them now, COVID. Them can't come out and then war go on. Them hungry. You see me? So sometimes me and bed, me and say, Father God, just give me the breakthrough. All if I left the ghetto, I not sell out Marvel. I always go back in there and make sure the people are happy. Always.
Well, my youth, I'm impressed with your outlook
Yeah.
and the way you feel about others, you know, especially the kids in those communities.
Yeah.
And we want to wish you well, you know. We want you to succeed, to continue to succeed, and to. It's good you come and talk because sometimes them see youths like you making jokes and are comedic and so on. They don't know.
Far me I come from in Winford.
Yes.
But I think a joke life for living now. Far me I come from and so nobody see me and say, yo, Swiss them rich or Swiss them have that or bad mind my talent. You see me? See the first time I really go live, me I cook on a hot plate. Me I cook on a hot plate and go live and me I say, well, nobody never know. Them telling me about 50K. So I start link with Relag. Him start make the followers them come in rapid. That's why I give thanks to him. You see me? He bring me got about 80K. You see me? I go stand up on the live and I show him, man, I say, no, man, my son. See people start reach out to me and I say, Swiss man, look how you give people joke and nobody no know. Your life say you're a hot plate, you're a cook pan. You see me? And I tell my mother, say, yo, I know for we, you know, so I tell my mother, say, I live by myself.
How many?
5 away.
5 of you.
Yeah.
Girls and boys.
Yeah, 1 girl and 4 boys.
4 boys.
Yeah.
And how are the boys?
Them all right, man.
Older or younger?
No, yeah. One younger. Rest of
One
them
younger than you?
Yeah.
And so you have 3 of them that you look up to?
Yeah, man. Brother them, man. I love them, brother them, man.
And they are on your page too?
Yeah, man.
Okay.
You see me? Yeah, so I'm really sure where a lot of print. The dog say, no, man, Swiss, I can't that you cook, man. The dog says, so no one start help me out. You see me? People start reach out to me and say, yo, look how you give people joke and nobody no know where you go through. You see me? Nobody know how you eat. You see me? So I don't want nobody see me and say, yo, Swiss, them with the rich. Or I see my talent and I say, yo, them are bad mind. You come here, get to you. Far me I come from now, I can thank God and say, all right, 4 burner, plug-in stove. You see me? My whole stop leak, my stop set bucket. So I have to give thanks. Yeah.
That's progress.
Yeah, man, I progress, man.
Yeah.
You see me, I see it there. Long time me I watch you, and know me the right as a face to face. So it go, I just time of the master.
Well, my brethren, that's why we do the show. Because we want to tell stories like yours.
Yeah, man.
We want youths like you to rise. There's so much, and I hear it coming out to you. Because you're very confident as a ghetto youth.
Yeah,
and that's exactly what we
man.
want.
Nah, change.
Every kid in the inner city to know
Yeah.
that they have it. For kids to run like Bolt and
Yeah.
then get the baton or get a break like you. So you're running right now, youth. Keep running.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, and it's good that you remember and show homage to those in the inner city and I show them love, same way, brother.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, I just want to say thank to my friend him too. He even push me to Jordan, Meds. You see me, Kimani, Joshua. You see me, Chiga, the whole of them, family, them, Talman, all of them, brother them, Jumbo, Thierry, my lucky sister, Shuan, yeah. Them push me, man, and my mother, man. You see me?
Well, Swiss, you wear the name already, you know. Swiss Rich. Thank you, sir. We look forward to when you come again with big news again, when you ascend again to another place, yeah?
Yeah.
All right, so that's him in this segment of our show, Swiss Lee.
Yeah.